The three French verb groups. Bonjour, and welcome to our French grammar journey. Today, we're going to explore the three main groups of French verbs. Understanding these groups is key to mastering French conjugation and communication. The first group consists of regular verbs ending in er, except aller. These are the most common verbs in French. For example, parler, to speak, is conjugated as je parle, tu parles, and so on. The second group includes regular verbs ending in ir and having a present participle ending in isant. A classic example is finir, to finish, conjugated as je finis, tu finis, and so forth. The third group is the most diverse and challenging, containing all irregular verbs. This includes verbs ending in re or and irregular er verbs. Examples are prendre, to take, and voir, to see. Remember, regular verb groups follow predictable patterns in conjugation, while the third group requires more memorization and practice due to its irregular nature. Mastering these verb groups is a big step towards fluency in French. It will improve your speaking, writing, and understanding of the language. That wraps up our overview of the three French verb groups. Dive into each group, practice regularly, and you'll find yourself communicating more confidently in French. Bonne chance!